pigeons. Sasha is currently downstairs sweeping the pavement. We needed to put some spikes and some netting up to keep it under control with the pigeons sitting on our sign, but Sasha decided to keep them as pets, essentially. Let me go and show you.
It's actually filthy.
How are you getting on? It's all over the blind.
So there was this pigeon outside my desk window, and it had a nest and an egg in it, and I was determined to see it hatch. It's since hatched, and they're leaving a bit of a mess.
We're gonna have to put some netting up, or like the spikes. It needs to be sorted.
Fair enough.